Why did you stop marketing?
I actually never stopped marketing. I've always been in marketing and will always be in marketing. Yes, I have shifted a little bit into the messaging world, but that is part of the bubble of marketing. You need to have messaging in order to do marketing because actually everything we say, everything that we communicate, everything that we say on our emails, on our websites, on our posts, on our reels, on our call to actions, everything that we say is messaging. So if our messaging is not hitting the right people and people don't feel that you are actually that they that they want to create demand for their offer, it's yeah, so that is actually why messaging has become another part of what I actually do. Yes, I still do planning and organization of how we plan our social medias, and I teach all of that in or how we do the research, and we help our clients and our students to do research as well, so that they know actually what do they clients actually want from them. But yes, I'm still doing marketing. It's right now it's all about the messaging because I feel we get so caught up. There's so much competition right now, and the audience is so I mean, they know all the things that they want to know. I mean, they're more aware than 15, 20 years ago when actually marketing was like booming, right? Like, I don't know, Madman or things like that. But when it comes to the marketing that we do, we actually do follow the marketing principles and what you should actually do. And that the core of the marketing we still hold today within our business with our clients. What is actually has shifted and has changed, at least for me, is that I noticed that sometimes I was talking to crickets because everybody was saying the same thing that I was saying. So I needed to actually learn more about messaging and how to actually hook the audience when they were getting into my social medias or my emails or go to my website. So that's what we've been doing for the last 3 years. We've been doubling down on our messaging because we believe that is actually where you get the leads and sales and you convert actually clients to pay for your services. So, in short, yes, I'm still doing marketing very, very much. It's alive and well, but with messaging because those go together. And I feel that, yeah, it's the same thing. It's like messaging and marketing are the same things. That's all.